Hello, Internet. This is CSTOYS International once again, and thank you very much for being with us. Now, this is the third demonstration. Now we have the braid buckle. All right. So from the Kamen line, the braid, the loose items, and so once again, the same seller sent this to us, and so it looks like very good wrapping, and I know this seller has been taking care of the very good care of these belts. So we can just expect a good one here, and let's find out. Let's see. And actually, he did very good taping here. It's so hard to find, open this. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, good. Now, okay. Here's one. There's two. Oh yeah, and also I remember that the seller actually he mentioned it in his email that now the braid tobacco has some the scratches on that the gold part here. I will show you that. Okay, so here we go, and braid tobacco, and the scratches that he mentioned is this. Okay. That's yeah, sure, yes. What do you think? All right. The seller actually, mentioned that scratches of this. He says that from the emails, and he says, you should, Mr. S, you should mention that there is a scratches on the the belt and on the gold part. Gold crown, very easy to damage. Oh yes, but for that, this should be okay, I think. Now let's take a look at this other one here. I understand the braid buckle has many interesting, mechanisms here, and so lots of moving parts. So I'm sure there is some, scratches and worn out here. The paint came off maybe. Not much, I guess, for now. Okay, so the other side. Oh yeah, here. Just a little. Okay. Put it. Yeah. No cards. Okay, too bad. Oh, sorry. It started to lag a little bit, but I hope it's okay. Okay. Whoops. There you go. So, turn up mechanism is just working fine like this. No, whoops. No, I have to put it hard. Okay. Well, sorry. And seems that it started to lag in a little bit. Maybe my, too much memory leak or something from my computer. So later on, I might need to restart my computers. Okay. But for now, seems okay with this. And here's the hinge. All right. Hiro, we don't know the price yet because this item goes to the eBay auctions. So I am not the one that make the prices, and you guys are the one that make prices. Okay. There we go. Seems okay. Yeah. It's a kind of different one, huh? Because many times I've seen that the holder here is that always slider. You can usually slide it slide it in here. But this one is originally it's made. It's molded. Wow. Okay, so the other side, the other belts, the other part of the belts. here, and all the just same chrome mic, very nice. Okay, and the same holder. I think this is for the weapons. And if the setter has been using a lot too much time, usually this part is the easy to have a cracks. And let's find out. Seems okay. Yeah. What do you think? To me, it's just fine. Mm-hmm. Okay, didn't have the cards, right? Okay, and this part as well. Okay. So there's no, and this is a kind of easy, either place that are easy to break. They looks just fine. Okay. Good. Very nice that. And then let's make that. Oops. Let's put that the batteries on, and let's find out the electricity part. Okay, so as you see, the terminals is very clean, nice. No battery leaks. Okay, let's use this one. Alright, it requires 2 AAA batteries. Yeah, I have it. Okay, here we go. Battery, the power is off. And put the batteries inside. Okay, this is good. And now, where's the speaker? Oh, speaker is at the other side. Let me move my microphones. Okay, this way. Okay, speaker is here. And I can see the LEDs here, maybe. And let me turn on. Alright, it's on now. Let me turn down to my music. There we go. And let's, let me just slide that turn apps. Whoa, sorry, that was too loud. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. I didn't realize that loud. Maybe the speaker is good. Alright, one more time. I have to watch out the volume. There we go. Okay, that's a pretty loud sound, for that, And well, we don't have the cards, so let me check that if the Gunblade cards will fit. And this one, by the way, is the Kamen Rider Oja from the Ryuki. Okay. Yep. There we go. Aha. It does fit. Okay. And I understand it doesn't have the scanner, so it doesn't work. Any makes it any different. But don't do it. Why not? There we go. Aha. Well, your order is outside and waiting for you. Okay. So you can use, these items didn't come with the any braid cards, anything, just by itself, because it's a loose items. And but we just selling these items and just as it is. So hope you're gonna like this one. Okay. But just to let me give you the one clue about the cards. Tomorrow, by Friday, is that what? The 5th, November 5th. We're going to do a braid special. Tomorrow, we're going to show the many box toys for the braid. And in that, we have the special card set, about this thick. All right. The card, I don't know, I'm not sure how many they they have, but the card set has quite a lot many of them, and I think that will be a perfect to use this one. So you know well, I know there's no card, but well, since there's a loose items, but there are maybe chances, and I'm sure you can get that from eBay's or somewhere by itself. Okay, so I don't worry about that too much then. So anyway, so this is the what it does for the Kamen Rider braid buckle, and I hope you enjoyed it. And good quality. Even though the seller mentioned me about the yo, yo. All right, thank you. Okay, that there is the minor scratch on the gold plate here, and as you see that, but other than that, it looks very good, and hope you like them. So thank you very much. This has been a live recording and live demonstration from the Hokkaido Matsuyama from the CS Toys International. All right, and well, after this, well, let's wear it. All right. So thank you, and talk to you soon.